All right, so in this video we're going to be talking about how you can use the duplicate button, the power of the duplicate button anyway, on how we're able to create scenes pre-production before we go live. All right, so in this example here, I would like to have a new scene set up where I'm seeing the desktop screen. Okay, I'd like to have a picture-in-picture top left corner, and I'd like to keep my lower third to be moved with my picture-in-picture, okay, of where we're going to be at. So let's go ahead and design that. And again, I like the lower third, and I'm going to go ahead and select the scene. So we click the play button on the scene that we're going to duplicate and click the duplicate button right here. So I'm going to duplicate the current scene, and you can see that right now it says copy of main camera, and you can see it right up here, copy of main camera. I'm going to go ahead and type this in. So this is going to be the desktop picture-in-picture. All right, so the new scene title has been saved, and any adjustments that we make in the scene will be automatically saved to the scene here. So that works out great. Now let's go ahead and get ready for the desktop. Click here for the desktop. Now let's go ahead and move my picture-in-picture up in the top left corner. And now it's time to move the lower third and adjust it to the picture-in-picture. All right, so let me go ahead and move the text. I'm going to start with the lower third first. So typically in this, you're going to want to start with the lowest layer first. And I'm just going to use the mouse wheel. You are able to utilize the pinch. If you're on a trackpad, you can do the pinch, zoom kind of stuff. And I'm just trying to match it up to the picture-in-picture size of what it was like before in the other scene. All right, so that looks good there. I'm going to go ahead and adjust the text as well, and for that I'm just going to go in the bottom left there, grab it, and now it's looking really good with the text selected. I'm going to fine-tune this with utilizing the mouse wheel or the pinch to zoom, or the mouse wheel effect on your Magic Mouse. All right, so that looks great. Now this scene is set up perfectly, and now we can move on to the next scene and modifying it. Okay, so that is the power of the duplicate. You notice that I did not have to retype in the Rob from scrappydoo.com. I didn't have to re-import the lower third, and now I have something, a quick scene that I set up here in less than 30 seconds. Okay, so that's the power of the duplicate button.